Entrepreneurs makes around 60% of the adult workforce in the United States. In the case of cybersecurity, the number is tiny bit better. It's around 25%. If you look at closely, however, you'll find that approximately 55% of the adult in the United States have tried to start their own business at some point, which means that everyone, including cybersecurity professional, wanted to become entrepreneur. Yet, only a tiny percentage of those dreamers are able to turn their business into reality. That is why I created this masterclass. I wanted to provide IT and the cybersecurity professionals with the tools and the knowledge. I like to have that before I went to build $1 million cybersecurity businesses. If you are a cybersecurity professional looking for a blueprint, help you to build your very own consulting agency, this is the masterclass, is precisely where you should start. My name is Nandi. It is my pleasure to be with your mentor today.